All right, everyone. Hello, everyone. I am Matthias Maher, and I'm so glad you could all make it to our mid-semester check-in. The whole idea today is to get on the same page with a couple of new strategies that are really going to help us support our students better and, make sure the rest of the semester is a huge success for everyone. So, thanks for being here. So, here's a quick look at what we're going to run through. We'll kick things off with a new way to handle student communication. Then we'll talk about the big summative assignment. After that, we'll review our official duties on progress, and we'll finish up with some really clear, simple action items. We're right at that midpoint of the semester, which is honestly the perfect time for us to sync up. Today is all about making sure we are totally aligned so we can help our students nail the second half and finish the term really strong. Now, just to ground us in the official stuff for a second, this meeting is our Module Standardization Meeting 2. And as you know, the Regent College London guidance says our purpose is to share what's working, take a good look at student progress, and most importantly, get everyone ready for that big summative assessment that's coming up. Okay, let's dive into our first key topic, giving our student communication a real boost. I really want us to think about how we can step up our game with real-time support, making it faster and just more effective for them. I mean, we've all been there, right? Students have those small, quick-fire questions that can just get buried in an email inbox. So the question for us is, how can we give them better, more immediate support right in those moments? And I think the solution is a pretty simple two-channel approach. Look, Canvas is still our official home. It's the place for formal announcements, for assignment submissions. That doesn't change. But for all that informal stuff, the quick questions, lecture reminders, dropping in a link, we're going to start using MS Teams Chat. Think of it as a supportive, fast-lane back channel, not a replacement for Canvas. And the best part? Setting this up is incredibly easy. It's just 3 steps. First, just create a new team channel for your specific tutorial group. Second, invite all your students to join it. And third, just start using it. Post reminders, share links that come up in class, answer those quick questions. It's really a fantastic way to build a bit of community and give them that support right when they need it. Okay, let's shift gears to our next section, which is, well, it's absolutely critical. We need to talk about clarifying the summative assignment. The number one goal here is to make sure every single student gets the exact same clear guidance no matter which tutorial group they happen to be in. So to make sure that consistency actually happens, I've gone ahead and put together a short, really clear video briefing that walks through every single one of the assignment requirements. This way, we just completely eliminate any chance of mixed messages. It's our new tool for total fairness and clarity. And believe me, the video is very direct about the non-negotiables. For instance, it makes it crystal clear that the deadline is firm and every single submission has to go through Turnitin on Canvas. No wiggle room, no exceptions. So, here's the action plan for how we can all use this video. It's simple. Please, play the whole thing during your next session. Then, post the link in that new Teams channel you're creating. It is so important that we remind students that this is their main source for guidance, and that we direct any questions they have right back to the points covered in the video. Now, I just want to take a moment to connect these two new things, the Teams channel and the video, back to our formal responsibilities. Everything we've just talked about is actually designed to help us do a better job of fulfilling our official duties for this mid-semester standardization meeting. As you can see right here, and this is taken directly from the RCL Module Leader Guidance, our responsibilities for this meeting are spelled out. We're supposed to be reviewing formative progress, analyzing student engagement, and prepping for the summative assessment. Well, our new Teams channel is a perfect tool for monitoring that engagement, and the assignment video is our number one tool for summative prep. See, it all connects. So, that brings us right to our wrap-up. Let's just quickly summarize the key actions we all need to take so we can move forward on this together with a really clear plan. And I wanted to keep it as simple as possible. There are really just 2 key actions for everyone this week. That's it, just 2. And here they are. Number 1, please set up and implement that Teams chat channel for your group. Number 2, please share that assignment briefing video both in your next session and on that new channel. I'm telling you, these 2 simple actions are going to make a massive difference in supporting our students through the rest of the semester. And finally, to tick off that best practice sharing part of our meeting, I'd love to just open the floor. Let's learn from each other. So just thinking about this semester so far, what's one effective engagement technique you've used that really worked? Something you could share with the rest of the group.